If you want your hair looking like this, then you've clicked on the right video. Keep watching to see how I got this curls banging. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Rosemary. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the fam. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to curl your hairs. It's really easy. All you need is your curler, your hot comb, you know the drill. You need the butterfly clips, your comb, your scissors, your iron clips, your extra holding spray, your heat tamer, your leave-in conditioner, your serum, your wax stick. You know the drill. No need to spill it out. So first things first, I'm going to be combing this hair. Then I'll be using my wax stick to tame the frontal and use my hot comb, just like I'm doing. The hot comb wasn't giving me that flat look because the frontal was really full, so I decided to use my blow dryer to bring it down. Next, I'll be using my leave-in conditioner to saturate the hair. Notice how the moment I put in the Hawaiian silk, the curls just started popping. Guys, that's the power of this leave-in conditioner. It's a highly recommended product. I guarantee you need this in your collection. It's really nice. Next, I'm going to be using my heat tamer, of course. Then I'll be dividing the hair into parts and I'll be using my holding spray on each portion before I curl. You can either go the other way or inward. It's totally optional. I do not really have a preference. I do both ways. Then I'll hold it there for a few minutes. I keep touching it to see how hot it is. You don't want it to be too hot so your hair don't get burnt. Once it's hot to a certain stage, you bring it out and you use your clip. I use that clip to hold it there until the hair gets cold. If you leave it down, it's not going to last longer, so it's better you leave it up there when it gets cold before you bring down the clips. So I'm going to be repeating the same process. It's self-explanatory, guys, and it's really easy. I know at first it's going to be hard for you. It was hard for me, but now at least I'm getting the hang of it. So yeah, I'm just going to keep on curling and you'll see. So this step now, I'm going to go inward, like towards me. The other way was outward, so this one I'm going to be going inward. I mostly do both ways to give it a fuller look. It's totally optional, like I said. I'm just going to go ahead and continue what I'm doing and let you guys watch so I don't distract you. So after you're done with the back, you're just going to come to the front and try to make it look nice and smooth. Then you're definitely going to be using your wax stick again, and either your hot comb. I just prefer using my hand dryer because it's way faster, and yeah, I just prefer using it. So after that, you're going to continue your curling just like I'm going to be showing you. So this is what it looks like after I'm done. I'm just going to go ahead and trim a little bit. So this is the next day, and I'm pulling out the clips. You can pull out yours immediately after you're done, but I advise you leave it to get cold before you pull it out. That way your curls will last longer. So I'm just going to go ahead and start styling. I'm going to keep spraying my free spray to hold that hair in place and keep styling. So this is what the hair is looking like. This is the end result, guys. Look at those curls, guys. So what I like to do is I put it on a flat surface to preserve it until I'm ready to send it to my client, or my client is coming to pick up. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave your comment in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video.